Greetings from Solved Gadgets. I'm astonished by the response and love shown by individuals who have seen our content. As a result, we have decided to polish the content further and include more and more cool gadgets and incredible amazing innovations that you should see. Let's begin by watching the video. Around 25% of Belgium's area is used for cultivation. Therefore, Belgian engineers started building this robot to facilitate gardeners, growers, and homeowners in particular. You can pre-contrive the robot for $4,000 despite the fact that initial shipments are really not expected before 2025. The automated gardener will take care of your house and will perform important tasks for like sweeping the floor, picking up garbage, and pruning the grass. There will be more than 100 assignments accessible for this awesome robot. More than 60 different tools will also be made available exclusively for the robot based on the most recent strategy. In the regular edition, one charge lasts for 6 hours and 8 hours in the premium version. Your contentment is ensured by the 4K camera sensor and machine learning in all of these variations. There's going to be an application available known as Starlight to instruct and update the robot. There are no technological prerequisites and the procedure is as straightforward as it can be. The industry experts believe that you may observe artificial intelligence at operation within your own house. Let's investigate and examine the activities of the Japanese engineers. By thinking creatively, the Japanese engineers have once again taken everyone by surprise. I'm wondering what engineers concentrate about when they consider of improving drones effectively. They might enlarge the size of a drone, insert larger batteries with more power, and do other things. However, the Japanese chose a different course of action. The University of Tokyo's JSK lab team created the Dragon, a flying robot that could also alter its shape. Studies have unequivocally shown that the drone is capable of carrying weights of at least 2.2 pounds, moving objects, and changing valves. The robot's portions and propellers both spin, allowing it to coil into a circle or form itself into a spiral. Unfortunately, there is still plenty of work to be accomplished. The team's ambition is to build a hovering humanoid that resembles an unmanned superhero. There is even something for us in Canadian robotics technology. They are also very helpful to us. A regional startup developed a robotic arm that performs shots and without the help of a syringe. However, today's topic of discussion is this international technology system. This enables you to build a robot including a range of activities. The system's primary function is to assist with research initiatives. As a result, they made it as receptive to fresh ideas as they could. Users could also place cameras, LiDAR, manipulators, sensors, etc. with ease, regardless of whether you create them yourself, purchase them from other companies, or directly from the producer. The ROSE software add-on that makes this possible is pre-installed at the production and it enables you to seamlessly integrate both original, self-designed programs as well as existing ones. The conventional platform has a payload capacity of 165 pounds and a top speed of 2.2 miles per hour. Thousands of researchers and technologists all across the world are already using it. And the data are collected and have served as the foundation for several scholarly works. From modest initiatives to those with the potential to significantly alter the lives of numerous individuals. Have you heard that the European Union has the potential to attain an amazing number by 2030? It will be possible to generate 80% of the world's energy without the usage of fossil fuels, making this advancement crucial in the future. It may also make a great addition to solar and wind energy. The invention, which goes by the moniker WaveRoller, aims to use waves to produce electricity. It is currently being designed in Finland, and indeed the present state of development is as follows. Each block strength fluctuates from 350 to 1,000 kilowatts, depending on the area it is located in. The modules are suitable for use at water depths varying from 26 to 66 feet. The equipment may be put up to 2187 yards offshore, and each unit is self-contained, enabling for the supply of individual units for isolated farms, lighthouses, as well as other infrastructure. The working concept is analogous to the locking and unlocking of a door. A massive paddle pushes a hydraulic cylinder, and indeed the electric generator operates as a result of the system pressure. In accordance with the website, the European Union is funding the research, and the company's work covers 4 continents. Security guard profession is quite prevalent and in high demand. The total number of registered and licensed security personnel in Russia, for instance, was between 600,000 and 700,000 in year 2019. The daily schedule examination of any terrain is obviously both more effective and intriguing thanks to advanced and innovative technology. This Russian autonomous security guard, developed on the multi-purpose Venom platform and driven by electricity, is a spectacular illustration. A conventional 220-volt adapter can be utilized to recharge the robot. Surrendering the gasoline engine significantly reduced the robot's noise level, which is crucial for a security equipment. Inclement weather inspections are made easier with remote control and artificial intelligence, and vehicle monitoring is made easier with a license number plate recognition tracking system. The cost of this security guard is $11,151. We are going to show you a few depressing facts. A total of 571 species of plants have completely vanished in the last 250 years. However, we have some great news too. Somewhere around 400 formerly thought to be vanished species have been rediscovered. A technology such as this one is necessary to prevent rare plants from becoming obsolete, since they frequently exist in remote locations where no human has ever set foot, such as Hawaii's steep cliffs. An amalgamation of Canadian and Hawaiian professionals is displayed on your screen. In order to nurture rare plants in the nearby Royal Botanic Gardens, the following robot drone with a robotic arm assist in gathering adequate stuff, following which the immigrants are planted once more in the wild, boosting their population. A test conducted in winds gusting to 23 miles per hour, the drone achieved great success. The first experiments provided the researchers with 11 samples of 5 plant types that can only be obtained using a drone. Then let's send the crew our thoughts and prayers as they work to save the planet's flora. We're going to journey to Europe next, to a place called Norway. Along with its shipping and fishing sectors, this country is widely recognized for its massive offshore oil and gas output. This multi-purpose robotic gadget, unsurprisingly, arrived there. It serves as a wide range of uses, including port security, seismic surveys, and fish population studies. This version is adaptably changed to the tasks of the client. The fundamental traits are as follows: 25 days of operation at a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour, 4G SATCOM, and Iridium support, maximum speed of roughly 14 miles per hour. To facilitate monitoring, a unique advanced control center is provided. If required, it could also be moved from the brink to a ship. A user-friendly interface and automated problem notification on the station both make it easy to operate. Examples include the danger of a remedy, and the vehicle's tagline comprises of only 3 words: the autonomous tomorrow.